Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another watch. This one is from Michael Kors, and I think this is like a really nice and essential piece that is really easy to combine. And as you see, it has like this golden frame, and then your pretty simple and yet good looking white face plate, and also the silver and the bracelet is looking really clean and slim and is making it much easier to combine with any outfit out there. It goes really well with dress shirts, but you can also wear it casually, which is kind of nice. It has the brand on the back as well, so yeah, you can just adjust that and figure out what you like. Also, there are some extra pieces you can actually remove to make it smaller or bigger depending on your wrist. And yeah, I think this is definitely one of the cooler and really class looking watches. On the top here, you can actually um, start a timer, and on the other button, you will reset that. You also have the date, and as you can see right now, the little um, circle in the center is the one that is keeping track of your stop time. So that's pretty decent and nice looking, and as you see when I push the bottom button, that goes back to the top to 0, and then you can start over or do whatever you want. This is what it looks like when it's on your wrist. I think, as I said, pretty decent look, pretty slim fit, really good. It's not really heavy, which is good. It's not too high or too built up, basically. It's just really flat and yeah, it just sits there really nicely and it's looking really good. I'm really happy with that. And it feels good, looks good, and as I said, easy to combine with any occasion you're going to. So even if you're just out with a plain white t-shirt, this definitely is a centerpiece for that outfit then, and will upgrade it for sure. And since it's Michael Kors, it's not too expensive, so it's definitely affordable, and you can easily wear it every day without having to worry about it getting rusty or damaged or anything. It's just really clean. It is one of my favorite, and yeah, check it out yourself. And I think we can call it a day. So until next time, my name is Badger. Take care, you guys, and I will see you around in the next video. Bye bye.